Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Libras. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. And I have a fairy tale pick a card love reading coming right after this general energy. So if you are interested to watch that, you can stay tuned for that, guys. So that will follow this general reading, Libras. So first, for your general energies, we have Queen of Swords in reverse, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards for your situation, guys, it may be in your career or it may be in your personal life. So maybe for some of you, you are planning to buy some expensive things. Maybe you want to gift this person you love, or it may be something for your work. You are redoing your workspace, maybe spending a lot of money on decor for your work, or it may be something for your home. So some kind of interior decoration you are going for, guys. And I also see that you are using your time and energy. Maybe for some of you, it may not be on the right things, guys. Maybe you are spending too much time on certain things that are unnecessary. And people around you, they may feel that you are simply wasting your time and money, maybe on some things which are totally not necessary, they may feel. But you are doing it because you like it, and maybe you love this person and you are spending your money to buy gifts for this person to show your love to them. But people with you, it may be your friends or some common friend or your family, they may not like your idea, or they may not like the way you are behaving, guys. So they have some kind of what to say, jealousy towards you, because they may feel that this person is not truthful to you. They uh, do not have that uh, what to say, a good idea about what your connection is, or they may not know very well about your person, about what they feel. So they do not have good thoughts about this person you love or about this love. So that may be the reason that they feel this way about you and your person, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. Let's see what is a card. So it is Four of Wands. So I see that you are celebrating, maybe you are celebrating this love, celebrating with engagement or marriage. So people around you, they may think that it is too soon, guys. That is the reason. Maybe you would have known them for a very short time, but you are taking that big step towards marriage or engagement. So that may be the reason for the previous card. So they may feel that people around you, from your family or your friends, they may feel that it is a big step too soon, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Libras. Let's see what is a card for your career. We have Three of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So in your career situation, Libras, the people with you, or it may be your energy in your work, so you are not putting enough efforts, or they are not putting enough efforts they are not totally responsible, and they are not doing their work, uh, putting that 100% concentration. So that may be the reason things are not going as it should, guys. And some difficulties in work may be there, Libras. So that is what I see with these cards. If you are interested to watch that fairy tale pick a card love reading, that is coming up right now, guys. Stay tuned for that, Libras. For your love reading, guys, today's reading is going to be different. So we have two cards from the fairy tale oracle. So it is going to be your fairy tale. So you can think about your situation for a few seconds in silence, then choose the card. So this is your first card and this is your second card, guys. Choose whichever card comes first, and I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, now let's start with the first card. Let's see what it is for those who have chosen this card. It is the Light Princess and Grounded. So with this card, guys, the energy, this card just means you need to be grounded and you must take steps to reconnect. Maybe in your situation today, maybe you are escaping maybe from something, facing some people, or trying to escape from your responsibilities, or trying to escape from certain situations, circumstances. And this card stands for that emotional experience that we face, that we have, and that memory and intelligence and that honest examination of the past, which will give rise to that awakening in ourselves and empathy and true intelligence and learning what we get through our experiences. So we need to be really grounded, ready to face any circumstance, any situation, rather than escaping from it or trying to escape from that situation. Maybe because we feel that it is really painful. So, today, maybe for some of you, you are in a particular circumstance, you are not willing to face the reality today, guys. Maybe it is time you have to take a serious outlook on life. So, you want yourself to be immune to that pain or sadness or stress, but only when you experience that pain, sadness, you will grow emotionally and spiritually, and you will be moving towards reality, and you will be moving towards a true meaningful connection in your life. So you need to be really grounded. So that is the energy with this card, guys. That is the story for you all with this first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who have chosen this card, Gretel. So this is the card for you all, guys. So this card means you have that courage to face any difficult situation in your life. So when you are up against a difficult circumstance, you have that courage and you do not want to you show your best when you are under pressure, great pressure, and you have proved again and again in your life that you are reliable for friends and family. So you work well as a team, guys. You work well with people, and you unite with people to work against maybe some a common enemy or some common problem that you have, and you are very quick thinking, resourceful, and protective. So, this may be your story, guys. So, you help people, you influence them with your courage and confidence, your willpower, determination. And maybe people around you, it may be the younger generation, or it may be your siblings or children, or people younger to you, it may be your friends or people, colleagues in your career. You simply influence them with your courage and confidence, guys, to do well in life, be steadfast, be responsible to their duties or whatever responsibilities they have, and have that what to say, determination in your heart to endure anything that comes in your life and face any drastic situation. So, maybe for some of you, you are under great pressure today, some kind of a difficult circumstance has come up, and you are bracing yourself to face that impact, guys, in your life. So, you are courageous, you have that willpower strength, and you do not have fear no matter what your situation is. And maybe sometimes we must let ourselves to experience that fear in its raw and in the most real way, to get that valor and ideas we need to implement to overcome that situation. So, whatever dangers or whatever circumstances that you are afraid of, you need to face it with courage, guys. So, that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the second fairy tale. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.